Hello, welcome to KNO Marilyn Tarot, where we do our best to send the spirits of irritation on vacation for you and the collective. This today is the zebra. And what I'm picking up on is the eyelashes for some reason. And mascara. And to me, I like to break things down, take it nice and slow. Mascara. This card today says that we will do whatever it takes to make it look like we're all right. We will put on a mask. I see a lot of people with these false eyelashes. They look like fans, little feather dusters. Anywho, the Egyptians used to line their eyes with black coal to protect their sight. And I think their internal realms. And so I feel like in today's modern world, maybe that's what people are doing with these feather dusters. I don't know. But it's about the masks we wear to make everyone think that we're okay. And the stripes are standing out to me, and they're reminding me of prison stripes. And I feel like this is a prison, a trap people fall into. This little dance that everyone is volunteeringly projecting outward that everything's okay. And so they end up being like the guy on anger management. Those are the guys that are the most dangerous because they're pretending everything's okay, and deep down beneath the surface, it's not okay at all. And they're the ones that are in the most trouble because inside they're not at ease at all. They're pretending to be at ease. And today, that's what I'm picking up on this card. I want you to listen to your feelings, and if you sense that you don't want to be around a certain individual, I want you to not dismiss that because it means something. Sometimes you just know. And so today, I feel like Zebra is talking to me in that way. Another thing, I see the rainbow. I'm a big fan of diversity. And so I feel like we should protect what we are by staying with our own kind, because I believe that all the different colors are very special and very important. And if you mix all these different colors together, everything just ends up being beige. And that's just no fun. And I wouldn't want the whole world to be nothing but beige. That's for sure. I think we should embrace who we are. I also think we should respect where we come from and be what we are. The old ways are dead and gone. The shaming because of the differences are gone. And if we enhance whatever beauty we are gifted through our inheritance by respecting our life enough to make wise choices, everyone's beautiful. Everything is beautiful. And then it's black and white. Everything is all right. There's nothing to hide from. You're not a prisoner. You're all of a sudden a horse that doesn't even get ridden. You're not even, no one's trying to break the zebra. It's a horse. They get to just roam free. They're really cool, zebras. It's black and white. They're all right. Yeah. So with that, this one's short and sweet. Have a good day.